Hello students, how are you all? I think you all are fine, right? So, today is which date? 7th May 2020, right? And which day? Thursday, right? So, today, first standard English medium max we are going to study, right? So, today part number 3 we have to study. Before that, part 1 and part 2 we had already completed, right? So, in a part 1, what we had studied? In a part 1, 0 to 30 numbers and also its number names. Means, their spellings we had studied, right? And in part 2, 31 to 5050 spellings and number we had studied, right? So, today we are going to study part 3. In part 3, we have to study 51 to 70 numbers and also its number names, right? Let us start 5151, right? So, in a part 2, already we have studied spelling of 50, right? 5050. What is the spelling of 5050? Do you know? What? F-I-F-T-Y 50, right? And I gave you one idea what we have to do. Suppose here 51 is there. So, first you have to write spelling of 50, right? You know the spelling of 50, right? F-I-F-T-Y 50 and backside what? 1. So you know the spelling of 1. So easy. Write down here 1 spelling. O-N-E 1. Done. F-I-F-T-Y 50. O-N-E 1. Very easy, right? Then 5 and 51 after what come? 5 to 52. Right? So 50 spellings same, right? That F-I-F-T-Y 50 and backside what, right? Spelling of 2. T-W-O 2. 52. Then 53. So spelling of 50 same. F-I-F-T-Y 50 and backside what, right? 3 spellings, right? T-H-R-E-E 3. Then 54. So F-I-F-T-Y 50 F-O-U-R 4. 54. Then 54 after 55. So what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y 50. 5 spelling F-I-V-E 5. 55. Then 56. So what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y 50 and spelling of 6. 56. Then 57. So spelling of 50 F-I-F-T-Y 50 and 7 S-E-V-E-N 7. 57. Then 58. So F-I-F-T-Y 50 E-I-G-H-T 8. 58. Then 59. 59. So F-I-F-T-Y 50 N-I-N-E 9. 59. then 60, 60. Do you know spelling of 6? Right? So you have to write first spelling of 6 and you are speaking 60, right? So backside write T-Y. 60 is the S-I-X-T-Y 60. So see here 51 to 60 numbers and also its spellings we had studied. So what I had did 50 spelling I had written, backside written 1. Same way 2 then 2, 3 then 3, 4 then 4. First you have to write spelling of 50 means 50 spellings everywhere same and just backside you have to change it. 5 then 5, 6 then 6, 7 7, 8 then spelling of 8, 9 then spelling of 9 and last one 60 60. So you have to write spelling of 60 S-I-X-T-Y 60. So what we have studied 51 to 60. Now we are going to study 61 to 70. Okay. Okay. Now 61 to 70, right? So 61, 61 and already you know the spelling of 60, right? That S-I-X-T-Y 60. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. 61. Now first 60 spelling we will write same. Just backside will change, right? Then 62, 62. So S-I-X-T-Y 60 and T-W-O 2. 62. Then 63, 63. So S-I-X-T-Y 60. T-H-R-E-E 3. 63. Then 64, 64. S-I-X-T-Y 60. F-O-U-R 4. 64. Then 65, 65. S-I-X-T-Y 60. F-I-V-E 5. 65. Then what comes? 6, 6, 66. So S-I-X-T-Y 60. S-I-X 6. 66. Then 6, 7, 67. S-I-X-T-Y 60. S-C-V-E-N 7. 67. Then what comes? 6, 8, 68. So S-I-X-T-Y 60. E-I-G-H-T 8. 68. 6, 9, 69. S-I-X-T-Y 60. N-I-N-E 9. 69. And last what comes? 70, 70. So you know the spelling of 7, right? What is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N 7. And you are speaking 70. So backside what write? T-Y 70. Okay. What is the spelling of 70? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. So today what we have studied? 51 to 60 and 61 to 70. See, in 61 to 70, 61. Here 1, then backside write 1. See, 2, then 2. 3, then 60 spelling same. Backside just change 3. 4, then 4, 5, then spelling of 5, 6, then spelling of 6, 7, then 67, right? Just what you have to do, 60 spelling same, right? Just backside only you have to change, right? So okay, so students, what you have to do, you have to by heart this all spelling whatever today we have studied, right? And also you have to write in notebook. Okay, so by heart this all spelling 51 to 60 and also 61 to 70. Okay, bye bye, take care.